All right, for the latest progress, I have the Lexan cover up and it's holding the fans. Those are transmission coolers underneath the fans there. Got the header wrap on the headers. That is for, we're going to build a little standing platform here to walk around back and work recovery straps and whatnot if necessary. So I want that covered up to not burn ourselves to death on. Decided to move the fans on the outside, draw hot engine air out through the radiators. I think that'll work better. There's still going to be some sort of covering over those things to keep the mud out of them. Compressors installed. Air conditioning in there. All the AC lines run in the compressor. The throttle pedal and cable and everything is done. Brakes, steering all hooked up. Been working on the wiring. This is the center console, and of course the underside of it. It's the battery shut-off switch, and then 8 different toggle switches and the push-button starter. Running a fuse block up there. This electrical thing for the AC is going to be up under there, tucked away too. Want to figure out a way to keep it off the floor though, because I could picture the floor being in the water at some point. That's what the top looks like. I can see the shifter in there and all the toggles and gauges, of course. Gonna cover the console with some Hydromat foam. I'll make it more comfortable to rest our arms on, whatnot. Lexan bodywork is up once again, and this is simply an exhaust fan to pull hot air out from around the engine. This one's for the AC condenser. The control for the hydraulic steps in the rear steer, I actually got 3 separate controls. I'm going to put the step controls on either side on a grab rail, so I can stand on the grab rail and just operate the button. And then the steering control I'm going to mount somewhere around the shifter. You can see the ground block and the power block right there. Run everything to that. All these fans and the the air compressor and all the fans and whatnot are going to be run off of relays back there. So there's just a little 18 gauge wire running from the toggle switches to trigger the relays, and then the real wire will come off that. I put 2 radiator overflow bottles in there. I'm not sure if I need to or not, but with 2 radiators, I figure I'd just have them separated out. Some holes drilled in the roll cage. There, here. This is all for the seat belts. It'll be going in. So I really need to work on finishing up the wiring and getting that center console in. And once I can do that, I can get the shifter cable hooked up and finish the body work on the outside.